Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Beyond Techno. Let's start with the today's session called 15 commands to rule the cloud. In Linux system, we have hundreds of commands, especially for cloud engineering. Do they really use all these commands in their daily life? The answer is no. What are the commands they are using in their daily life that we are going to explore now? Before start with the Linux command, first you have to understand a layer model. We can discuss one by one. So let's move on. When you connect to Putty or any SSH tool, first you can see the screen. This screen is called CLI. CLI stands for command line interface. Command line interface is the place where you can run your commands. So if you see here, you can find two things. One is bot admin and other one is lab server 01. So what are these? When you see on command line interface, what you can see the bot admin and lab server 1, right? So bot admin is the username or user identity. User identity in the sense the person who is accessing the system is called as username. And if you see lab server 1, it is called hostname. Hostname is nothing but it is the label name for the device on a network. Simply you can say system's name. So bot admin is the username and lab server 1 is the host name. Now we know bot admin and lab server 1. How do we identify who is accessing our system? When you type whoami, it will display the user's name. So if you see here, bot admin is the username. He is the person who is accessing your system. If you want to know the host name, if you want to get the name of the host, you can type host name. So lab server 01 is the host name. Domain name, when you type host name -f, when you type the host name -f, it will tell you the fully qualified domain name. So whoami is tell you the username, host name will tell you the host name. But when you type the host name -f, it will tell you the fully qualified domain name. Every host has a name and every system will have an IP address. IP address in the sense internet protocol address, and it is a numerical label that assigned to every device on a network. If you want to get an IP, you can type host name -i name. When you type host name -i, you will get the IP address. Even if you type ifconfig, you can get an IP. See, this is the IP, you can get it. If you type IPA, it will give the full details of the IP address, and you can also type IPADDD. That is also shows the IP address. Since we know the basic information of the system, then we can move forward. The next topic will be on navigation, so we can discuss in our next session. That's it for today, and thank you so much for hanging out with me. If you have any questions or thoughts, drop a comment below. I will reply soon. And please do like and subscribe if you like this video. It really helps the channel out.